Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So I've got Boxycharm by Ipsy in an Ipsy box. Yes, this is my paid box. We're going to go through this and we're going to see if it's any good. Are you guys ready? Okay, so no card, no prices, nada, but I will look them up for you and put them on the screen. Do you have this card in here? What does it say? SPF Myth Busters. So I guess there's some good information on that. Okay, so the first item is by Aveda, and I think I got the mousse in my icon box. Okay, so this is Phenomenal Styling Foam Edge Shine, and it's weightless, volume 2 fine medium hair. Okay, I'm always in the market for something to make the hair a little fuller, right? Okay, next, and I've taken it out of the box, by Cab Cosmetics. This here, oh wow, you really can't see much on what it says. It says it's a hydrating setting mist. Let's go ahead and check this out. I'm guessing, yeah, you turn that. Oh, it smells kind of like coconuts. I didn't put on setting spray, so there we go. It smells good, nice and summery. Okay, let's see what we have next. Aha, by Glow Recipe. All right, what do we got? Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Dewy Moisture. Ooh, okay. I like their moisturizers because they're not real heavy. And it's especially good in the summertime. You don't want to be putting thick stuff on your skin unless it's dry, of course. Let's take the scent. Ooh, it's got a pretty little... All right. Okay, if I could get it off. You know, I thought nails were supposed to be beneficial. All right, not right now. I'm guessing it smells good. Most of their stuff usually does, but since I can't open that, well, you know, all right. We'll move on. Okay, by Mellow Cosmetics, we have a lip gloss. This here, it looks like a super pretty color. I do not know how it will be on my lips. There it is there. Let's go ahead and try some. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, that'll work. All right, we got one item left, and it's a palette. I love getting palettes. Ace Beauty, and I've been really loving that new Primrose palette by Anastasia that I got in the icon box. That's what's on my eyes today. I'm like loving that palette. I have 87,000 palettes and I've been reaching for that one. Okay, so here we are. Ooh, the pans are big. It's got a mirror. Here it is. This looks nice. Ooh. This reminds me of glam lights, like glitters. Oh wow, look at that. Let's just do all the glitters, shall we? Swatch them on up. Ooh, but look at those mattes too. Okay, let's do some swatches. And that's what they are, glitters. But you'd have to, hopefully they can be buildable because you can barely see that. Wow. Still on my fingers though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's probably buildable. That's it. That's everything, guys. That's everything in my is it $28 plus that $1.99 handling fee? Okay, so honestly, not a bad box. Let's go ahead and recap. Got a palette. Ace Beauty's a good brand. I'm excited about that. Then the Hyaluronic Plump Glow Recipe Moisturizer. The lip gloss, and the Cab Dewy Setting Spray. Oh, plus this other thing I almost forgot again. Aveda, what is it? Styling foam. So that's everything. What do you guys think of my box? I have not seen other unboxings yet, so let me know. Have you seen this exact box? Have you seen a better product in there? Talk to me down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxings. I would love it if you're not subscribed, if you take a chance on this channel and get to know me, because I would love to get to know you, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.